Hello YouTube. Wanted to do an unboxing video of a bunch of stuff that Mr. Sour sent me. I have been coordinating with him for like a month, and he sent me a whole lot of stuff. So this is the culmination of that. Let's pop this thing open. You'll notice it's a medium-sized flat rate box as opposed to your standard small flat rate box. That's because there's a lot of crap in it, and it's heavy. Lovely packing peanuts. That's what I always wanted. Yeah, packing peanuts suck. Alright, I'm gonna have to do this a little bit quicker off camera. Alright, now to the stuff below. First thing, now that looks fun. LFIC core housing. It's the first thing I picked out. Oh, these are the pins he was talking about. Said he dumped his pinning kit the other day and knew I was looking for just an assortment of pins, nothing too special. And this seems like all of them, so that's awesome. Now I have some extra pins, pin up some locks. This is a Primus, Schlage Primus Mortis. I'll be getting to that hopefully. It's my my next little mountain to climb. By the way, this is like Christmas for me. I can't even believe all this crap in here. I shouldn't say crap. It's all great stuff that he was nice enough to send me. Oh, this is a beauty. This is the Federal padlock with the scan lock cylinder in it. I wanted this ever since the day I saw it, and I let him know that a long time ago, and sure enough, he remembered, reserved it. When it came time to get rid of it, he sold it to me. So thanks, Sour. This is Dimple. I'm going to try and pick this on cam and send this with the, oh look, the big ass gold door. I'm going to try and send this Dom along with the gold door and something else that I'm going to include. So look forward to this getting picked in a video, hopefully. And right after that, I believe it's going out to Old Fast on Keep Picking. So you're going to get this as well, Old Fast. Take a good look. Oh, this is the Fubard multi-lock. I was told to expect this. This was a lock. I guess he took it apart. Some stuff went flying everywhere. There's actually the clip taped to the side, a ball bearing taped to the side. So I'm going to try and unjam this lock and see if I can fix it. And if I can, I'll have another multi-lock to add to my collection. Oh, it doesn't end there. Oh, Wilson Bohannon. An old style Wilson Bohannon. I love these locks. They're great. I love the tolerances on them and just the character that they build after time. If they've been put into service, they usually have really good qualities to them that make picking them a lot of fun. So I look forward to picking that as well. Oh, geez, it just doesn't stop. Lockwood Oval. Saw this on his post, said had to have it. he included it. So, one other great thing that I can't wait to pick. This is an Asa, and I do believe that he said it was a Scandi. Scandi, I have no idea. It's an Asa. It has some sidebar pins or something in it. So I look forward to picking this as well, just like I did the 700 SCD oval cylinder. And it's another Asa to add to my collection. So loving it. This feels like wrapped up keys, all hidden from me. I asked him if he could do me a favor and wrap up the keys, hide them from me. I feel a key ring right there, so I'm pretty sure that's these. I will not be opening these, and I'll keep that package intact, just so you're all good with that. What is this? Alright, he sent me another... Oh, crap. I just locked it. My luck. Medico. LFIC core. So now I'm going to have to pick this in order to open it back up again, because I just locked it. I'm such a dumbass. But thanks, because I didn't even ask for that. He just said he was going to include it, and I was like, okay. I have a feeling what this is. One of the few things left in this package. Yes, it is. This, if I can get it out of all the bubble wrap. This is an American 7300, and that is a ace type lock, a tubular lock, as a core in this. So that should be fun. That'll be my first tubular I ever tried to pick. So I'm grateful to add that to my collection as well. And this sucker's heavy. That's a big lock. I'm liking it already. Whew, this is a good day. And oh geez, it doesn't stop. Oh yes, of course, the Wise lock. He included this just to give me a go at it, just to have a little fun. And I do believe I'm also passing this along with the Dom with the gold door as the pass along. So he just gave it to me to give me a little shot at it. I thought it'd be pretty cool to try and pick, get it on camera, and pass it along. Not necessarily something I'd want to own, but definitely something cool to take a video of and you know, share it with the rest of the community. So this is a cool lock. I hope to get that on camera real soon, along with the Dom, and get those out to Oldfast. Oh, I think we're coming to the end here. Looks like there's just one other thing in this package. Yes, indeed. And holy cow, this thing's a monster. I did not know it was going to be this big. This is, if I can get it out, this is a giant Corbin. Said it might be a master ring padlock. It is huge. It's on par, if not bigger than the gold door. It's certainly heavier than the gold door. This thing is a monster. The shackles, I don't know if you can tell, but this one's thicker, a whole lot thicker. And this is just badass. That is crazy. Before I opened up this package, I was gonna try and pick this Corbin out of the package, see if I could do it. I don't even know if it's gonna fit in my vise. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna have to lock it up by the shackle, because this thing's gigantic. just to look down the keyway, and there's some ball bearings in there. So it's somewhat like a mogul almost. And God, this thing is huge. Oh, and it's going to be difficult to tension as well, because there's not much to the top of this keyway. But I'm going to give it a shot. Try it on camera, see if it happens. And if not, then it'll be a fail video. Oh well. It's always fun to try. Now, you really don't get much feedback out of this lock. Probably because it's so damn huge. Everything seems muted. And even though I'm applying a decent amount of pressure, nothing seems to want to bind all that readily. So Alright, I probably underestimated this thing from the beginning. Um, I'm not feeling a whole heck of a lot of anything coming out of the lock. And that's a good thing because it's a challenge. I don't even know if picking this thing counterclockwise will open it. I don't know anything about this lock actually. Just decided it'd be a cool one to try and pick out of the box. What the hell? This old thing have security pins? Or did I just pick it in the wrong direction and it goes a little bit but doesn't want to go any further? Oh snap, I can't even tell you. It There was definitely some substantial plug rotation there. Trying to hold it. I don't know if it's going to try and go back. Um, um, I think this might actually be picked. I'm not sure. I know nothing about this lock, but I'm gonna attempt to plug spin it if I can. And that didn't work. Apparently it wasn't picked. But I guess I'm gonna test the limits on how long a YouTube video can be from me. I don't know. I've never tried to post anything over like 6 minutes. So we're gonna give this a shot. Because I really want to get this on camera, regardless of whether I can fit it on YouTube or not. I'll just cut the video short if I have to. think it's over for me on this one. There's not a whole lot I can do with this lock. For now, of course. I mean, kind of set my sights on it, so giving up's not going to be an easy one for me. There we go with that false set or something again. just don't know what's going on with this thing. There. I think this first pin is laughing at me. Alright, this lock has officially toasted me for a little while. Don't know why, but it seems like it's rotated and then it just stops. It could be that it is a master ring, and I do believe the whole point of the master ring was to sort of have a master key bitting built into a ring inside the lock, or something to that effect, to create like a dual shear line effect. And it seems to act sort of like a best, maybe, in that regard, where it kind of makes picking a little bit more difficult, because then you have two shear lines, and if you don't have everything at the same shear line, then the lock will not operate properly. So I'm probably going to drop this back down to 9 minutes. That's how long it took me to unveil everything from the package. And this is just taking way too long. So I'm going to keep picking at it, seeing if I can get it. time. Shit. Oh my god. Holy crap. Is this thing not gonna go? Okay. So, I picked the damn thing. I took forever, but I picked it. And then, it doesn't want to release the shackle, probably because it's rusted to shit. Well, there's no proof like video proof, so there it is picked. I'm going to try and see if I can keep it picked so I can get a still camera shot added to my thread. I really can't believe that it took that long I don't think YouTube's going to let me upload this whole thing. If it does, and you stuck with me, and you actually watched all this, well then, you're probably a better man than I. So that was the Corbin cabinet lock. Big ass padlock. Possibly master ring. Definitely a pain in the ass. Thanks to Sour for everything, all the locks. It was a lot of fun opening them. I can't wait, or opening the box rather. I can't wait to get all this stuff on camera, hopefully, and share it with the rest of the community. And hope you guys are having a good day. Thanks for watching.